I'm going to show you how you can use a browser to block your ad, block the YouTube ad, and you can do Tor browser search. For that you will have to use, I'm talking about the Brave browser. So I will show you the feature of Brave browser. So like you open Chrome, I will open a random website. I have searched code beautifier and I will open it. So I have opened the browser. So you can see here, this is the Chrome browser, and you can see ad has come. So above there is one ad, below there is one ad, and I will go to JSON beautifier inside that. So here also you can see there is ad above one, below, and there is one video ad here also. So same I will do in the Brave browser. So I'll open Brave browser, I'll search code beautifier, I'll go to that website. So you can see here there is no ad, and the ad will not appear also, because this by default block the ad, the Brave browser. And if I'll go to JSON beautifier, like inside that browser like website, so you won't see any ad. So similarly I will show you in YouTube also. So I will, in Chrome browser, I will open YouTube. So you can see here I have opened the YouTube. I'll go to trending, I will play a random video.
Running a business is
As you can see that ad is playing here when I have played a video of T series. So same I will do, the same I will do in Brave browser also. I have opened Brave browser, open in private window. So you don't have to open private window, I am just showing you. I have opened YouTube, I will go to trending and I will play this. So as you can see it has started, ad has not come. So if I will play any video, that ad will not come. You can see here I will go down and I will play a long video. So you can see there is no ad. So one more feature I will show you Brave browser has is, so when you are using Brave browser, so you don't have to use like Tor browser to browse in the Tor. So it has Tor feature, built-in feature also. So you click here, new private window with Tor, so it will connect here. You can see here it is connecting and Tor got connected. So you can search like DuckDuckGo, you can search here also, like Pirate Bay, other you can do it here. I want to show you how you can download Brave browser. For that you just search Brave browser and go to the top, bravebrowser.com, and here you click on Get Brave, and here you click here. So I think Get Brave only started the download, and you can see here it has already started the download, and later you can install it. So this is all about this video. Thank you for watching.